Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making the job safe and efficient. Chalk wheels, engage the parking brake, and lift the trailer at the axle. Once lifted, make sure you place jack stands under solid mounting points. You should break the lug nuts loose before fully raising or after partial lifting to avoid wheel spin. Remove the wheel and the dust cap, then straighten and pull the cotter pin so you can unscrew the castle nut. These first steps give you access to the hub and bearings. With the hub off, you'll slide out the outer bearing and seal, then pull the inner bearing and race after removing the hub. Clean the hub, bearings, and races thoroughly with solvent and lint-free cloths. This lets you see wear patterns clearly. Inspect for pitting, overheating discoloration, or metal shards. These mean replacement. Once you decide to replace, press new races into the hub and fit new matched bearings. Make sure spindle surfaces are smooth and undamaged before reassembly. You pack each bearing with high-temperature grease by hand, working grease into rollers until it oozes from the cages, then seat the inner bearing and new seal. Slide the hub on, install the outer bearing and washer, and thread the castle nut while setting preload by hand then tightening to spec. Insert a new cotter pin and torque lug nuts in a star pattern. Once done, lower, spin the wheel to check smoothness, and after a short test, toe check for play and heat. If you feel binding or excessive looseness, stop and recheck preload and seal seating.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.